Hello, welcome to my channel. It's Kosi here again. How are you? Thank you for stopping by. If you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome to the community. Thank you for deciding to join us. If you're an OG, hey, welcome back. What do you do? I hope you've been keeping safe since my last upload. Today's video is a continuation of the series DIY hairdressing, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this jumbo twist for the very first time. I couldn't even believe myself when I was done with this hair. As you can see, my grip is not so strong, but it still looks pretty good to go. So do you want to know how I made this jumbo twist so that you could try yours as well? Then don't go anywhere and we'll get into the details in a bit. You can see I'm feeling myself. Oh, Shay. Okay, let's start. I usually like to break down the process into 2 days as much as possible so that I don't get overwhelmed doing everything in one day. So the day before, I already sectioned my hair and then twisted everything to the tip, just so that my hair can be a little more easier to manage. So you don't need to do the twist. That's what I'm trying to say. You just need to do the short you just need to braid a few inches. Yeah, exactly what I'm doing right now. I think what I braided was too long. After a while I had to loosen a few of them, but if you can stop right there right now, don't go any further. That's appropriate for what you're trying to do. So this is what I basically did for all of them. Braided the root just a few inches up, and then I twisted the rest just because I wasn't ready to make my hair yet. So you know what I mean, right? Just braid the hair up a few inches, and that's really all you need. At this point, if you have some conditioning gel, this is where you need to apply your conditioning gel. I had run out of conditioning gel here, so I was using aloe vera gel for the root of my hair, but conditioning gel would do it better. So yeah, this is what you need to do for everything. You can decide to do it as you're twisting, or you can decide to do everything and then start twisting from the beginning. Yep, that's what it's looking like. See my crooked lines? Okay, so everything is done now. I just did that to show you guys what the whole process was like for me the day before. Now we are ready to get our jumbo twist on, and this is the hair I'm using. I'm using pre-stretched braiding hair. I got this off Amazon. I'm going to link it in the description box below so you can also get yours. So I'm using shea butter to make my hair manageable. For every strand I just applied a little bit of shea butter. I had to brush again, and then yes, this is the trick. So make sure you twist the way I'm twisting, and that's because my crochet pin, the hole in my crochet pin wasn't as fat as I would love it to be. So gathering the hair into that small hole was quite a task, so I had to roll and roll to have them all in one place before I start feeding it into my crochet pin. So this is what it looks like. You feed it into your crochet pin, bring it out on the other side, and then you pull until you have the whole strand straight out, if you know what I mean. Yeah, and then you begin your twist. So make sure that the root is very secure and very tight. Yes, you need to apply a little pressure on the root just so that it kind of stays nicely and neatly, and then you begin your twist. If you see what I'm doing properly, you will see that I'm trying to make sure that my hair merges well with the extension so that it doesn't look untidy when I'm done. That's what my shea butter also helped me with. So as soon as you're done twisting past your hair, you can as well just freestyle. And another trick, because my grip isn't so good, for every time I twist, I kind of pull before I twist again, pull before I twist again. Okay, let's do one more up close so that you can see the process again, and if you missed any of the steps the first time, you get a second chance to understand it again. So I just took down the twist, brushed out my hair, sectioned it into two so that when I feed in the hair extension, it's easy to just pick and go. So you twist the hair extension so that when you're feeding it into the crochet pin, it's not all over the place. It enters easily and nicely. And then you go in with your crochet pin and feed the hair. Close your crochet pin, pull to the other side, drop your crochet pin, straighten out the extension. Make sure that they are equal on both sides. That's another trick. Make sure they're equal on both sides so that the tip of the hair is nice and tidy. And then you grab the extension and your hair, add a little bit of conditioning gel or shea butter, whatever you're using, so that the hair blends nicely into the hair extension. And then you begin to twist from the root. Remember to make sure that the root is very tight and secure so that it looks neat, and so that when you're done twisting, the twist does not unravel by itself. Yes, that happened to me. A few of them unraveled. I had to twist again. So making sure your grip is very strong as possible at the beginning, and when you're twisting, when you twist, you kind of pull the two strands apart to kind of tighten it, and you twist again and you pull, and you twist again and you pull. Easy peasy. So one more trick I almost forgot to mention is the direction for inserting your crochet pin. If you want the hair to fall to the side, yes, you need to insert from the front like that, because if you insert from the side, the hair will fall to the back when you're done twisting. Do you understand what I mean? When you try it, you understand what I mean. So if you want the hair to fall to the side, you insert your pin from the front. But if you want your hair to fall to the back, you insert your pin from the side. I hope I didn't get that twisted. Well, if I did, you'll understand when you start making yours, and then you can do the correct thing. Yeah, so I wanted it to fall to the side so that I have a center part, and that's why I inserted my pin from the front, just like so. Okay, so we're all done. I told you it was easy, and this is what my hair is looking like after everything. I think it took me about 2 hours. Yeah, about 2 hours to get the twist in. I mean, not counting the number of hours I spent the day before getting the roots ready. Getting the jumbo twist done just took me about 2 hours. This is my least favorite part of the whole process, trimming my hair, and I have to confess that sometimes I don't even trim my hair. So if I do my best to make sure that it's very neat when I'm installing, whatever stray hair I notice, I try to trim. You see what I'm saying? I almost cut the hair. I don't like trimming my hair, so I just skip this step if I can, and then go into the hot water and use my mousse, and that's it. It's all done. So I've used hot water here, and it was looking all better and tidy, and yes, this is it. It's pretty easy actually. I know when I try it the second time to definitely be better than this. So did you enjoy watching my video? Are you going to try jumbo twist? Do not forget to thumbs up, like the video. Do not forget to share, because there's love in sharing, and do not forget to subscribe because it's free, and so you know when I have new content similar to this as well. Before you leave, please check out my other videos on DIY hairdressing that you might also find interesting. Till my next video, take care of yourself, stay safe, and always remember to be kind. Goodbye.